Today we're gonna start off straightening out this hood and quarter panel, put the bumper back on and see what it looks like. You can see right here that it's off. It needs to be over here. Got a great hook right here from the latch holder. So we're gonna go ahead and pull from there. That's what I'm talking about. I might need to pull just a little more from the other side. All right, let's see if we can pull this joint toward us. Hey, would you look at that? So that's good enough for now. Next, I'll go ahead and take the hood off and flatten out these dents. This sheet metal's sort of in the way, but if I crowbar behind it, there we go. A little paintless dent repair. Oh yeah. All right, so we got that smoothed out a lot better. Getting this ridge right here. Oh yeah. That'll flatten it out real nice. Just using a little gravity. All right, let's take a look. All right. I'd say that's about good enough. And I'm gonna bend back that sheet metal. All right, let's see how this hood lines up. Oh yeah, perfect. Now once I get the quarter panel over here, this will line up as well. All right, I was able to secure the cover with a few zip ties. Real easy with the sheet metal, you just kind of run it through. With that secure, it's time for the quarter panel. Getting the new panel into place looks better already. And with a little fine tuning, we are lined up across the board. And there you have it. Hey, what do you know? Perfectly straight line. And that's how you do it yourself, make it happen and prosper.